Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to travel with pets on Jetstar. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top of the screen, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course the option where you can go and sign in and everything. And here we have the where you can go and of course book your flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and travel with pets on Jetstar. Well, Jetstar does not allow pets on their flights as they do not have pre-issued cargo facilities. However, you can arrange your pet to travel with Qantas Freight here and here. So go to Qantas Freight website and choose book pets and animals. Go to domestic travels, enter pet details, and of course, you need to purchase a crate for your pet, complete the booking and make a payment. For international travel, you'll need to contact a pet travel specialist to organize your pet's journey. But this is also a Australian air company, so you can do it with, of course, them. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.